This is a conclusion question and we have to find the conclusion that is most properly drawn from the information in the argument. There is no conclusion in the argument and the missing link is not required. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should highlight the main point of the argument that stronger protection would lead to valuable breakthroughs in medical science. Answer choice A. The argument makes no suggestion regarding healthcare providers. So this answer choice which talks about the providers getting some benefits, this answer choice cannot be established. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The argument makes no suggestion about the creation of more jobs. So this answer choice cannot be inferred. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. The argument mentions that with stronger protection, hospitals will try innovative new treatments. However, the argument does not suggest that to innovate new treatments, a stronger protection is necessary. Whereas this answer choice says that hospitals will try innovative new treatments less frequently unless there is stronger protection. So this answer choice basically suggests that stronger protection is necessary to innovate new treatments. While doing so, this answer choice confuses helpfulness with necessity, whereas such a relationship cannot be inferred from the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The argument mentions that with more comprehensive protection, hospitals will try to innovate new treatments which often lead to valuable breakthroughs in medical science. So it can be inferred that with stronger protection against claims of malpractice, breakthroughs in the field of medical science will get some stimulation. So this answer choice can be directly inferred from the argument. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E. The argument doesn't suggest that the current protection against malpractice is weak or that currently there is stagnation in medical science. Also, the argument only mentions that stronger protection would lead to innovative new treatments and valuable breakthroughs. The argument does not suggest that there is any stagnation in valuable breakthroughs or innovation of new treatments because of weak protection. So this answer choice cannot be inferred from the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.